Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you different images for mobile and desktop web Shopify tutorial. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So adding images in your Shopify store can be complicated, especially if you want to have a different layout for your mobile as well as your desktop. But in this case, adding images here are actually pretty easy. What we just need to add some code or CSS for us to make this work. So in this case, go to shopify.com, log in into your account and access your store. Go to Themes and click on Customize. Now from here, what we need to do next is we need to upload our images. So let's go and click on Add section here. And from here, what we need to do is we need to choose the image banner option here. And as you can see on image banner, we have the first image as well as the second image. Now we'll be utilizing this first image and second image as well. So let's go and click on select image for the first image here. And for this example, I'll be uploading an image here that I want to use. So just to give an example, I'll be using maybe this image here. Click on done. And for the second image, I'll be using this second image here and click on done. As you can see, by default, it's going to be two images that you see here, but the most important section here is going to be at the very bottom, which is the custom CSS section. Now, you might be wondering, what is the CSS that we'll be adding here? So no worries, I already actually prepared it. So in this case, we'll be utilizing the banner media first childs and the banner media class here as well. So in this case, whenever it actually reaches a specific dimension, it would actually switch to the second banner here. So the max width for that specific device, which is the mobile device version, which is 749 pixels. So in this case, let's go ahead and copy this code here. You could you could pause the video if you want to copy the code itself. But in this case, let's go and go copy this one, paste our custom CSS here, and as you can see, our images is now looks like this one. So in this case, as you can see, the first image is now visible. But first things first, let's go and click on save at the top right. And whenever we switch over to our mobile version, as you can see, the image adapts as it would. So in this case, let's go and go back to our desktop version. As you can see, this is what it looks like. So once you go back into mobile, this is what it looks like. So in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.